Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is the beginning of the Shaolin 32 lock system. We're going to go into some active and passive lock restraints, but before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes. Please click like and subscribe and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you again for your continued support and have a great day.
This is the first of the Shaolin 32 locks system. The first exercise is called Golden Silk Entwines the Wrist. We're going to demonstrate this from an active and a passive standpoint. Remember, a passive standpoint, they already have their hands on you. An active standpoint, we're moving from pre-contact to try and apply the technique. So here it's basically a cross-arm grab. So we're going to work on this a couple things. I want to pin my opponent's hand here. I want to circle around and trap at his wrist, bring it into an S-lock. All right, so again, we're going to come up, come over, and from here, I'm going to step back to create the balance, and I'm going to squat down to bring my opponent down. So let's take it again. And please, when you're at home practicing, do these slowly. You do not want to hurt anybody. So go ahead and pin, rotate around, hold this wrist in place. Step back, and when you do it in real life, you want to step back and drop down very, very quickly. We're going to come here, and we're going to squat and bring our opponent down. Okay, one more time. Comes in, catch, rotate, catch the lock, step back, and draw him to the ground. And that's the passive version to this. So moving on to the active version. I'm throwing a punch cross-arm, and my opponent tries to lock or grab. So once he grabs, I want to step with it, catch the hand, rotate it over, and then I want to step back and just the same technique and just drop down. Okay? Punch comes in, I throw it, he goes for the lock. I come in, I pin his arm, I circle around, I step back, and I bring him down. Okay, one more time. Punch comes in, catches it, cover from here, rotate, and drop down. So remember, folks, when you're doing this for combat, if I throw it, he grabs my hand. If I go for the lock here, he throws the other hand, I have to be ready to defend and perhaps go into another chin-on technique. So remember our golden rule in fighting. Touch one hand, look at the other.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.